Okay, today we are going to be looking at brown recluse versus a wolf spider live, and they are active. Check it out. So, this is a brown recluse, and it is really huge. And I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to show it to you guys, so you know what a brown recluse looks like. So hold on, I'm going to show you the wolf spider. This is a wolf spider. Okay, you can see how people could get them mistaken, but they're not the same. They both bite, and they're both really fast, and I'm really nervous about pulling them out of these freaking jars, but I want you guys to be educated and to know the difference. So this is a wolf spider. These are really common. Actually, in Tennessee, both of these spiders are really common. Okay, here we go. So, let's pull out the brown recluse. Do you see it? Okay, so you can see that it's got its long, gross legs. You can see that it's very defensive right now, because typically it would be in a dark spot, a dark place. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's missing a leg. It only has 7 legs. So, you're looking at a 7-legged brown recluse spider. And that's my lucky number, so maybe that means something. Maybe it's not going to bite me. So, a brown recluse spider, you see that? You see the violin shape on its back? That's what makes it different. That is what you're looking for a brown recluse spider. You're going to find these little guys in closets. You're going to find them in dark spaces. A lot of times they can have a complete infestation in the attic and in the crawl space of your home, in the voids behind your drywall. They can really cause a lot of horrible circumstances for you and your family, and they don't do any structural damage to your home, but they can really cause physical damage, because some people are really allergic to the bite of the brown recluse spider. And in a minute I'm going to grab its leg, and I'm going to show you what its little pinchers look like for biting you. So, I know you don't want to ever be this up close and personal with a brown recluse spider, and that's why we're doing this, so that you don't have to, but you can be fully educated. Okay. Oh, maybe it's going to walk out on its own. Here it comes. It's going to walk out. I'm sorry. Okay, so this little guy just escaped, right? And we had to catch him. You can see they're really fast, and I don't want this little guy to get out of my office, so I'm gonna try and grab it. What am I doing? I'm gonna do this. Okay. So I think it has a hard time climbing up glass. So maybe I wish I had bigger pinchers than this. I want something that's gonna really grab this sucker. Should I just dump it out onto? I think I'm gonna dump it out onto the sticky board. What? Stuck. Shut. This is a live brown recluse right here, and we just put it on top of the sticky board so that y'all can see it. Maybe it's dancing to its violin shape. Maybe this is why it has the violin. Do you see its little pinchers? Let's see. See if I can get its pinchers to go. Make sure his little feet are stuck real good. Let's see if I can get it up. See? This is the only time that it would attack someone, is if it feels threatened. Because brown recluse spiders, they really want to keep to themselves. They don't want to hurt you. And you can see the violin. Can you see the violin? Yeah. Get it dancing again. So, it's stuck on the monitoring board. And that is what a live brown recluse spider looks like. And that is exactly how they behave and how they act. They are aggressive when they are threatened, and they will bite you if you invade their space or if they feel like they're going to die. So I'm not getting my finger anywhere close to this little brown recluse. But that's what a brown recluse looks like. And it's got 7 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Usually they have 8. This one is missing one right here. This leg is missing. Oh. He does not like me. She does not like me right now. So, be on the lookout for these. I'm going to show you in just a second what a wolf spider looks like. That thing is dancing, y'all. I'm scared it's gonna come loose, but I know it's not gonna come loose. So creepy. So creepy. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that its legs are down. If this was not on the clue board, we would be running for our lives. Trying to make it move so y'all can get about all the views that you need to. It landed is a wolf spider. A lot of times people call us because they think that they have brown recluse, and in all actuality, they have a wolf spider. The difference between the wolf spider and the black widow spider is that the wolf spider is not a reclusive spider. This spider has got stripes on its back. Oh look, we'll put it next to the black widow. Do you see the difference? The brown recluse. The wolf spider has got stripes. The brown recluse has the violin. The wolf spider also looks a little bit meatier, has a little bit more meat to its body and its legs than the brown recluse. So, I'll probably just dump this one out. Okay, we're gonna dump this one out again. Oh God, please stick. That is a wolf spider. And I believe it is stuck to the monitoring board. I'm going to make sure. Okay, we're going to do it this way. Okay, I think I'm not lifting that glass just yet. Let's make sure it's stuck. Do y'all see it in there? I think it's stuck, but I'm not sure. It wasn't stuck last time. Let's see. Let me turn it upside down. Oh. Okay, so it could come out right there, but okay. Before I go any further, I've lost my scalpel in that craziness. I threw it. I think I threw it at the spider thinking I would spearhead it like I was Amazon woman or something. To be certain, I'm going to make sure it's dead by poking it with my scalpel. To make sure it's stuck. Oh my God, I won't know what to do if it's not stuck. Am I touching it? Oh my gosh, am I touching it? Give me a blade of grass, hold on. Let's make sure it's stuck, y'all. It's stuck. Oh, yeah, it's stuck. I'm scared it's not, though. Y'all think it's stuck? We thought it was last time, too. Okay. Oh, please don't run out. Please do not run out. Oh, God. That is a wolf spider. That is an especially vibrant wolf spider. And they really feel, they only attack if they feel threatened to. But wolf spiders they are venomous. They aren't as venomous as the brown recluse spider. But you'll notice the stripes on its back right here are the stripes. I'm gonna put it next to the brown recluse. That's the difference right there.
Do it again. To explain which one, because a minute ago they were on opposite sides. So
okay, so again, this is a fiddle, and this is a brown recluse spider. This is a wolf spider. You can see its pinchers. They both have pinchers, and both of those little mouth parts are what bite you. That's what injects venom into your skin. This one, the brown recluse, can cause your skin to rot off. This one can cause a major allergic reaction just on your skin, but typically is not going to do the type of harm that a brown recluse spider is going to do. But they both bite, and they're both extremely prevalent in Tennessee. Tennessee is only one of 14 states in the entire country that even have brown recluse spiders. And in Tennessee, especially the Nashville area, we are seeing an abundance of brown recluse spiders in and around homes. In fact, we've had customers that have come to us when they said that they were going to sell their home rather than stay in their home if we could not get rid of their brown recluse spiders because they had so many. So we went out, we took care of their brown recluse spiders because they like to hide in attics, they like to hide in crawl spaces, they like to hide in dark spaces, and they're really hard to treat for, but it can be done. And the wolf spiders, if you have an infestation of those, the solution is to hire a professional pest control company, U.S. Pest Protection. This one is still wiggling, and I swear it looks like the brown recluses are dancing when they wiggle. Now here are dead. So, remember, if you see either one of these spiders, it's not something that you want to mess around with. You definitely want to call us so that we can come help you. But again, the brown recluse is way more dangerous than the wolf spider. You're going to see more wolf spiders than you see brown recluse because these little guys are going to hide. These wolf spiders are on the hunt. You saw how fast it ran off of here. It was 20 feet away from me in a matter of 5 seconds.